Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can block someone on the Facebook, because sometimes we need to block someone on the Facebook due to their inappropriate behavior, or we want security or privacy from that person. So in this video I will show you how you can block someone on the Facebook. So keep in mind, when you block someone on the Facebook, that person will not be able to see your post or your profile, and will not be able to add you as a friend, and will not be able to send you any message. So after that, if you want to block this person, then follow this video. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Facebook application. For this, go to Play Store and then update your Facebook application, because all features will work properly after updating the Facebook applications. So after updating, click on Open Options, and then you will see Search options. Click on here, then and search anyone which you want to block. So for example, I want to block this person, then I will click on their profile. So after that, you will see three dot, click on it, and then you will see block options. Click on it, and you can see that this contact, when I will block, will not be able to see my post and my profile, and tag me and invite me to any event or groups, and also will not be able to conversation with me, and also will not be able to add me as a friend. So click on block options. So you can see I blocked this contact. So in this way you can block anyone on the Facebook application. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.